Life will test you. People will doubt you. The world will try to distract you. But the truth is simple. The only person who can change your life is the one staring back at you in the mirror. If you love powerful motivation like this, click the link in the description and check out more content that will fuel your growth and mindset. Focus on you until you win. It sounds simple, but it's one of the hardest disciplines you'll ever practice. Most people spend their lives comparing, looking at what others have, what others are doing, and where others are going. But comparison is a thief. It steals your time, your energy, and your confidence. When you focus on you, everything changes. You stop worrying about timelines. You stop doubting your journey. You start building habits, skills, and resilience that make winning inevitable. Success is not about being better than someone else. It's about being better than who you were yesterday. And here's the truth. There will be setbacks. You will fail. You will stumble. You will wonder if it's even worth it. But that's when focus matters most. Winners are not people who never fall. They're the ones who keep standing back up again and again until they cross the finish line. Okay, quick reminder, if this message is hitting you right now, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Stay plugged into motivation that pushes you forward. The moment you decide to stop chasing approval, stop chasing shortcuts, and stop chasing perfection, you win. Because from that moment on, the only competition is you versus you. And every day you sharpen your focus, you're taking one more step toward victory. Focus on your growth. Focus on your discipline. Focus on building the life you want, not the life someone else tells you to live. Because here's the secret. When you focus long enough, consistently enough, and with enough heart, you don't just win once. You win again and again. You win in your health, in your relationships, in your business, and in your mindset. Success doesn't come from wishing. It comes from focus. And when you give all of your attention to becoming the best version of yourself, there's no force in the world that can stop you. So from this day forward, block out the noise. Stop comparing. Stop hesitating. Put every ounce of energy into building yourself. Because when you focus on you until you win, you'll look back and realize it was always you against you. And you won. If this fired you up, hit that subscribe button and join us for more unstoppable motivation. Remember this, focus on you, stay consistent, and keep pushing until you win.